Hello, Pirates! My name is Donna Morgan, and I'm an assistant principal, and I work mostly with the 8th grade. I wanted to share some information with you regarding the course request process for this year. All of the information that I am sharing with you can be found on the back of the course card for your reference. Additional information about courses and electives can also be found on our school website. Students should be bringing their course cards home today, so look forward to seeing those. All middle school students are required to take 5 courses. This includes English, math, science, social studies, and PE. Advanced courses are offered in English, math, science, and social studies. Students can request 2 advanced courses. A student would need to score 2 grade levels above their current grade level. So for example, a 6th grade student would need to score on the 8th grade level in reading and or math to qualify. iReady scores for current Pizitz students will be sent home with course cards today. Refer to those scores for guidance when making your selections. Just as a reminder, 7th grade students need to be aware that accelerated math is required in order to take accelerated math in 8th grade. 7th and 8th grade accelerated math is required to take honors geometry in 9th grade at the high school. You do not need to select a PE course since it will be assigned to all 7th and 8th grade students. All 7th and 8th grade students will take an academic strategies course that will meet during their lunch period, and they will also be assigned an 8th period study hall. Now let's review some elective options for the 7th grade. So there are 10 to choose from this year. You can take band, boys choir, computer science with magic of electrons, Discovery 7, FACS, which is family and consumer science, French, German, media art, and Spanish. Discovery 7 is a new elective for 7th grade this year that is similar to the Unified Arts in 6th grade. Students will have a different course that will rotate each quarter. The 4 courses include Media Art, where students will explore art elements with technology and design. Problem Solving, students will be involved in solving real-world problems while using the engineer design process and critical thinking skills. Service Leadership, this course will focus on community service, leadership training, and communication skills. This course will build on our Pirates' creed of character, excellence, and family. And the last one in that group is Career Exploratory. And this course will explore careers and skills needed for different careers. This is a new thing that we've added this year, so check it out and look at those descriptions to see if that's something you would like to take. Elective options for 8th grade. 8th grade students may take art, band, boys choir, girls choir, computer science and magic of electrons, FACS, family and consumer science, French, German, and Spanish. If you are auditioning for choir, be sure to select choir as your first choice for your elective option, and then you will be placed in the right section. Some notes about some of the electives. In order to take a world language in 7th grade, it is recommended that a student have a B or better average in 6th grade English and have a commitment for high academic achievement. In order to take a world language in 8th grade, the student must have completed the first half of that same language in 7th grade and demonstrated proficiency at that language. The computer science and magic of electron courses are each for 1 semester. They are paired together and cannot be separated. The course selection process has 2 steps that students should complete with their parents. The first step is to review the course card, discuss options, and make selections. Once the card is complete, then use it to complete the course request process in PowerSchool. Students will log into their PowerSchool account. On the left-hand side of the screen, select Class Registration. Your grade level specific page should appear. You will then click on the pencil to modify or change your selection in that section. There's a pencil for each section. After you click on the pencil, courses will appear from which you are to make your choices. Click the box of the course you are requesting and select OK. Then complete the next section in the same way. Once you have selected an English, Math, Social Studies, and Science course, you will then select your elective. In the first elective section, you will select your first choice for an elective. In the last section, you will select elective alternatives. These are alternates that you would like to take if your first choice is unavailable. The alternates are not ranked in order of preference. There is one box at the bottom of the card that says Additional Request. You do not need to do anything in that section. All courses are randomly selected by the computer program. Required courses are always scheduled first, and electives fit around the required courses. Turning your course card in first does not guarantee placement in a particular course. Students are submitting their requested courses during this process. Placement in advanced and regular courses is based on several factors, including academic progress, the number of available sections, class sizes, and scheduling conflicts for desired courses. The course selection is not complete until you have submitted your course request in PowerSchool and returned your completed course card signed by your parents. Requests should be entered in PowerSchool and course cards should be signed and returned by February 17th. If you decide after submitting that you would like to make a change, you should be able to log back into your account in PowerSchool and make the change following the same process as before. You will be able to make changes until the window closes on February 22nd. If you decide to make a change after that, you will need to complete the Change of Request form that can be found on the Pizitz website and return directly to the guidance office at Pizitz. The last day to request changes is March 11th. If you have any questions about this information or the process, please contact the counseling department or your grade level administrator. Go Pirates!